Is your Cybertruck's accelerator pedal cover wobbly or loose? That small movement is a critical warning sign that it could get stuck open. Yes, your Cybertruck's accelerator pedal cover can indeed slip off, which could trap the accelerator at full power. This problem stems from an unapproved change during assembly. Soap was used as a lubricant to help install the pedal pad. This soap didn't dry out, reducing the grip that holds the rubber backing to the metal pedal, allowing it to slide. This issue affects all 3,178 Cybertrucks made so far and is covered by NHTSA Recall 24V276. To check your truck, reach down and use your thumb to try and slide the accelerator pedal cover upwards. If it moves up, even a little, your truck could be at risk. This vertical play allows the cover to catch on the interior trim, holding the throttle wide open. This has already happened at least twice. If you see any movement, contact your Tesla service center right away. The required fix isn't glue, but a physical repair. A hole is drilled through both the pedal and the pad, and a rivet is installed to physically stop any upward movement. Even if the accelerator does get stuck at full power, a firm, steady press on the brake pedal will override the throttle and stop the truck. The truck's systems are designed to put braking commands first when there's a conflict with acceleration. Drivers who experience this described a sudden, unexpected burst of power after accelerating hard, with the truck continuing to pull until they firmly pressed the brakes. Don't wait for your pedal to get stuck. Check yours now.